Warning, the drink that you're about to see is very, very potent and should only be consumed twice in one sitting. Welcome back, and today we're going to create the zombie. The zombie was created by Don Beach, or Don the Beachcomber, and it was in his 1941 menu for his Beachcomber bars. The rather fun story is that someone on a business trip flew out to California and visited Don's establishment and requested a drink that would just get him through the meeting. And this collection of ingredients was put together by Don. And the person drank it, went and had his meeting, came back and told Don, "That drink made me like a zombie." The reality is this occurred after the drink was already put out there. And allegedly, the drink was called the Mender of Broken Dreams. I've never had it. I've heard it's very, very powerful. Thus, you can only have it twice when you're at a bar. I've never had it. Let's make it. Need a shaker? A small tin of a shaker. Need a lime. Slice this lime right in half. And I need 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. And now I need a 1/4 ounce of fresh squeezed grapefruit juice. Went ahead and squeezed this before filming. And now I need 1/4 ounce of cinnamon syrup. There's a lot of ingredients in this. And now I need a teaspoon of grenadine. It says a teaspoon. I'm going to use a bar spoon just for simplicity. And now I need a 1/2 ounce of velvet falernum. This is John D. Taylor. You can get this just about any location. This brings a little bit of sweetness to the party. And now for the rums. It is 3 rums. Alright? The overproof of the bunch first. Fresh bottle, never before used. Welcome to the show. Lemon Heart 151. 151 proof. Bacardi doesn't make it. Doesn't mean it's not available. An ounce of Lemon Heart 151. I need 1.5 ounces of Appleton Estate Reserve Blend. Gonna go for a little bit of funk in this. And now for another first time contestant, Angostura 1919. Another 1.5 ounces. Now we're not yet done. I need a dash of Herbstura. This is it. This is Herbstura. Herbstura is really Herb Saint and Angostura bitters combined. I don't have Herb Saint. Closest cousin is absinthe. This is 1 ounce of absinthe, 1 ounce of Angostura bitters. Give this a little mix up. And I need a dash of Herbstura. And you know what's next. Big rock into the tin. I'm going to let that sit for a minute because before I shake, I want to go ahead and prepare my glass. Get yourself a Collins glass. They actually have a zombie glass. I don't have them, sorry. And I'm going to go ahead and fill this up with ice. The glass is ready. Go. That's set, and I'm going to double strain this for clarity. Take a straw, introduce the zombie. Cheers. Yeah, that's potent. Need a minute to gather my thoughts and clearing this up a little bit. Wow, the rums are potent, or the rums are there. The Lemon Heart 151, that's spicy, it's tart. The grapefruit and the lime really add the tartness. The absinthe I'm not getting. The Angostura I'm not getting. It's there, I'm not getting it. It could be that's just bolstering things, but I don't get it. This doesn't have me concerned. But I can understand why someone says 2 of these and you're done. I saw someone have this on a Discord channel once and he's like, "Oh my lord, I am feeling it after 1 sip." I'm not feeling it, but then again, I took very, very, very small sips of this because I really don't feel like being completely plastered. If you like the video, please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video. please. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on my show, check the links down below. They are Amazon affiliate links, which means that if you click one of those links, make a purchase, I receive a bit of the kickback. Thank you in advance if you decide to. You can find me on my socials right here. I try to be on my personal YouTube page. It doesn't always happen, but keep a lookout. Maybe go and subscribe to that if you wish. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail, and this has been The Beginner's Bar.